A lot of people are learning faster than ever and still feel less confident because you can create any kind of code instantly with AI, but once it breaks, it is still overwhelming. And that disconnect is the weird part of 2026 and AI. So this isn't even about React Native itself or just one framework. It is bigger than that. And if you feel stuck currently despite knowing more, it is not your failure. In one of his recent newsletters, NetherDebit wrote, "We're entering a world where the constraint on software development shifts from writing code to knowing what to build." And I couldn't agree more with this. And once you see what changed, a lot of that frustration that you currently might feel actually makes sense. For years, learning to code simply meant consume information, apply it later. You can see this in any kind of popular course. You learn something by video, by reading through a course, and then you apply that knowledge to a project. And courses worked because information was scarce at that point. When I got started in 2015 with online courses, essentially you could either read a documentation, maybe find some kind of tutorial, but it may be also outdated, or you're on your own. Courses condense this, but AI completely flipped this. Now, the bottleneck isn't anymore how do I write this, but is this actually the right thing to write in the first place? And that's a totally different skill. It's different from learning to build a tab bar and write the keywords to understanding if you should use a specific kind of tab bar. I think that's where expectations around courses are currently and quietly broke. Now, don't get me wrong, I think courses still do something very valuable. They give you orientation in a world that is really confusing. They tell you what exactly exists, how things are named, and how everything fits together. So you don't have to wander around, search for documentation pieces, and look through other tutorials. And I personally think they're really great for building something like a shared vocabulary. This is something I always said in my courses. It is really important to know actually what you're looking for or what exists. If you're coming new to mobile development and you have never heard about navigation, router, tab bar, side menu, push updates, all these things, you need to learn that vocabulary. Courses are great for all these things, but what they can't do is make decisions for you. They don't magically transfer judgment to someone. They might transfer knowledge and all these things I said, but judgment and knowing architecture is a different thing. And that simply explains why so many people are currently disappointed when they finish a course. Now, a lot of that frustration comes from finishing something and then thinking, now, why am I not feeling ready? And that expectation used to be reasonable. If you purchase a course or go through a big tutorial, you expect that at the end you have a certain kind of skill set. But now it's just unrealistic. Finishing a course doesn't mean anymore you're done and you know everything. It just means you are unblocked. The real work really starts afterwards when you get out into the world and actually apply your knowledge. So you might ask now, if courses are not the finish line anymore, what actually matters now? Honestly, that's exactly where I'm currently at and trying to figure out things. Because AI is incredible at generating options and code and everything that you need. But at the end of the day, someone still has to choose. Someone still has to say no to certain solutions. Someone has to manage your code in 6 months from now. And especially someone has to understand the trade-offs that you made by saying yes to a specific solution that AI proposed to you. And that is exactly the thing that autocomplete can't give you and courses can't teach you right now. And I personally think that changes how learning has to work in the first place. Learning now in the age of AI 2026 and beyond is less about collecting all sorts of information from giant courses, and it is a lot more about building sort of a taste. It's actually about seeing like real world problems and recognizing more patterns more quickly in the future. It's also about making bad decisions and learning why they were bad and why they were harmful. Honestly, I did my own bad decisions when I built my game Tiny Harvest in the beginning because I did not watch what AI proposed and built enough, so I had to refactor a giant part of my code base at some point. But I learned from it and I moved on. And that is exactly the part of learning that currently can't really be productized. So combining all of these things is kinda the shift that forced me to rethink how I want to teach you in my videos and how I want to deliver information, taste, judgment to you in the future. And this ultimately brings me back to this channel and how I rethink the videos that I put out. At this point, I'm simply not interested in stuffing more and more knowledge and content in just one course, and instead I want to teach you better decisions, better understanding, and better taste for how you work with AI in this age. I want you to make better decisions, and I want you to understand why you make these decisions. So building stuff, building mobile apps with AI is incredibly easy at this point, but making the right decisions is absolutely more important than ever before. And that's why I'm experimenting with more formats on this channel going forward. AI stuff, game development related stuff, and just helping you make better decisions. And that's not because the old stuff, the old tutorials for the login authentication were wrong. They were completely great, but the world has moved on. So a lot of talking, but here's the simple takeaway from this video. Courses, and especially online courses, aren't dead. They're simply not the destination anymore. But if you treat them like tools, they can be incredibly useful. I have a 0 to Hero course on Galaxies that I would recommend to every single React Native developer to get a solid understanding about what they're actually building. You need this foundation, you need the vocabulary to understand and talk correctly to AI in the future. But if you expect these courses to replace everything, you will always feel behind from now on. And I just want to be honest about that, even if it's an uncomfortable truth, because I'm a content creator, and for the past 10 years, my whole life was based on creating courses and creating videos and selling stuff to people. But it simply changed almost overnight. This is scary for me, and it's also scary for other developers that completely have to rethink what they actually are in this world anymore. Let me know if you feel the same about the current state of learning and content in general here on YouTube or in other places, because I would really love to know what you want to see going forward in 2026 and beyond. And of course, hit that like and subscribe button to get notified about all the upcoming videos that will help you to make better decisions when building mobile applications or other kind of applications, no matter if it is Cloud Code, Cursor, or Gemini. I'll catch you in the next video, which might be slightly different, and until then, happy coding, Simon.